Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. A star, a star, a square, a square, circle, circle, heart, heart, triangle, triangle, hexagon, hexagon. Let's learn some colors. It's a kid's color. Sky blue color, orange color, pink color, yellow color, forest green color, light green color. Look, little colors. Now fill color in shapes. Deep yellow color, deep yellow color, black color, black color, it's a vivid pink color, vivid pink color, carmine color, carmine color, ultramarine color, ultramarine color, salmon pink color, salmon pink color. Now we learn 2D shapes. A star, a square, circle, heart, triangle, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.